Hey everybody, it's Crappie Dan with a tip of the month for Crappie Now magazine. I want to talk a little bit about maintenance. Maintenance does matter on a outboard, and especially now with everybody starting to get ready to get on the water with temperatures just now rising where you can go out and do that. You definitely want to go through the steps of making sure you unwinterize your motor, make sure you got your fuel good, all those things. Another thing you really want to do, that first time you get out and you run it, and you come off the water, make sure you check the vents for the water intake, which goes into the lower unit of your boat motor. Make sure those vents are clear, make sure there's nothing clogging them. It could be debris from getting and running through some old moss beds and those type things that'll clog up that engine's water intake, which is the life of the engine. Otherwise it'll overheat. So just make sure when you get off the water, check those vents, make sure they're clear. Trim the motor down, get all the water out of that engine, let it drain out, and then put the engine back up and stow it. Use an item called the motor mate or a Yamaha stick in order to keep that motor stable when you're going down the highway. You don't want to break it in any way due to bumps or anything in the road. So until next time, remember, maintenance does matter. Yamaha reliability depends upon you maintaining that great engine. I'm Crappie Dan. Take care.